Hi there, I'm CJ. Today I'm going to make a backyard rink for my two kids using the RinkMaster skating rink kit. Choose a cold day to set up your rink. You'll want to add water on the day you set the liner in place, so wait for the temperature to reach at least 5 degrees Celsius below freezing. That's about 23 Fahrenheit. Be sure to choose an area that is as flat and level as possible. If you have snow on the ground, shovel it to the edges of where your rink will be. Snow can be used as leveling material to support the frame in the lower areas of the rink perimeter. This will allow the frame to rest on the areas of higher snow, with the water pooling evenly throughout the liner. A sheet of 2-inch rigid styrofoam insulation cut into sections is also a good leveling tool. Use the gray foam corner connectors to join the sides together. Lay out the rink liner over the frame. The liner should overlap the frame by a minimum of 6 inches on each side. Lay the red vinyl corner protective cap over the liner where it overlays the foam corner connector. Hold it in place by fastening a length of red protective cap onto the area where the tube and the foam corner are connected, ensuring to overlap the red vinyl corner protective cap. Then snap the caps onto the tubes, making sure not to damage the rink liner. Add 1 or 2 inches of water on the first day. You will see it pool in the low area of the rink, and the remaining plastic will be exposed. This is completely normal. As you add water each day, more of the exposed areas will become covered up until it all becomes covered. And then you're ready to skate.